The nature of our lives is such that we never know what's going to happen next. Life is unpredictable. Life is mysterious. And that's what makes life so interesting. No matter how good you are, no matter how talented you are, sometimes things will happen, and sometimes they won't go your way. Life will kick you hard. It will teach you a lesson. I know that at times like these, we all feel like giving up. We all feel like quitting what we're doing, but you have to remember one thing. Everything in life is temporary. Nothing is permanent. Not even your pain, your problems, not even the troubles you're going through today. It will change one day. Keep this in mind and believe it. This is for everyone going through difficult times in their lives. Please never give up. Never give up. Because the pain you're going through today, the troubles you're facing today, the problems you're facing today are just a chapter. This is just one page in your life story. It's not your entire life story. Remember that if you tell your life story to thousands of people, you'll succeed one day. If you tell a good, simple, and soft story, no one will be inspired by it. The more troubles you face, the more problems you encounter in your life, the more difficult your life will become. Your life story will become more interesting, and one day your life story could become a survival guide for someone. Remember, whenever you feel down, whenever you feel like giving up, whenever you face a problem, I want you to do one thing: go out and help someone. This isn't something you hear often. Go out and help someone when they're feeling down. Help someone when they're upset and when they're going through a difficult time in their life, because you have to believe that you get what you give. Even if you're going through a difficult time, you should be willing to help others because it brings happiness. The more you face difficulties, the more you can understand how others feel when they're going through a difficult time. So when you're feeling down, always try to help someone. I know what it feels like to constantly fail, and I know what it feels like to constantly fall and fail because I've been through that. So help someone, help people, and never give up. Sometimes you have to be patient because things take time to get better. Well, things take time to get better. Well, remember that good things did take time to succeed. Well, don't believe in quick and instant results because we are so used to this instant world. Because in this instant world, we want everything instantly. Well, this world is made to give you everything instantly. External source. When you log on to social media, it comes instantly. You can get something instantly. You can know something. You can download something instantly. But in real life, things don't happen instantly. It takes time. Success takes time, doesn't it? Happiness takes time. Peace takes time. Relationships take time. It takes time. Nothing happens instantly in real life. You have to wait. You have to be patient. So during these times, we feel anxious and stressed, don't we? But remember, when you feel stressed, when you're tired, it's okay to rest, but it's not okay to give up. Because as long as we live, as long as we exist on this earth, as long as we have life, we can have the opportunity to succeed, to get better at what we're doing. So this is for everyone who is going through a difficult time in their lives. Believe that one day you will be happy, one day you will be proud of yourself. If you focus on yourself and if you work on yourself, keep in mind that no matter how difficult the circumstances, never give up. Keep moving forward. Stay. Namaste, Buddha.